Hello, konnichiwa everyone. How are you guys?
Konnichiwa.
Good. Okay, are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yes.
Start. So please kindly scan the QR code for your food and drinks. Let me know if you needed a printed copy, okay? So I'm just borrowing your 2 minutes and I'm going to explain everything for you. Okay, once again, welcome to Bonsai Teppanyaki. My name is Maureen and I'll be your server for tonight. So by the way, the drinks are not included to the meals. If you have a drink package, you can use it, okay? So I'm gonna explain the sauces in front of you. The one with the brown sauce is yakiniku sauce. This one is good with all the meat, especially steak and chicken. The one in the middle is a ponzu sauce. This one is a soy sauce with citrus flavor. This one really good well to all the seafood and chicken as well. And the one with the orange sauce is a miso mayo sauce, or everybody known as yum yum sauce. So this one is good with everything that we're going to serve.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Teppanyaki. My name is Abraham, I'm from the Philippines, and I'm gonna be your chef for tonight, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, for your starter, you don't need to order it. It's actually automatically served. So all I need is your main entree, okay? You can have a la carte or combination. For combination, you can mix and match. You don't need to follow what is actually right in the menu. If you don't want that one, you can make your own combination. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, while you're enjoying your appetizer, let me have my exercise. This is called Japanese exercise. Here we go. Then Japanese cowboy. Yeehaw! And 2, and 3. All the way back. Ninja. One more. Go ninja, go ninja, go. Japanese samurai. Ninja. Alright, so let's start cooking now. Baby oil Johnson & Johnson, fat-free and cholesterol-free, and Japanese gasoline down from the engine.
Yeah.
This grill is on fire. Welcome to the Hell's Kitchen. Alright, so let's start cooking now. Everybody's good with the garlic, yeah? Here we go, Japanese
Extra garlic. More garlic.
Vegetables. Japanese vegetables. Japanese fresh eggs. And Japanese rice. All from Walmart. Alright. And here we go, our special Japanese chicken from Popeyes. And shrimp. There we go, Japanese shrimp.
From Walmart.
From Bikini Bottom. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. Alright, so we're going to make the garlic nice and brown. So first we're going to put a little bit of Japanese ice cream. Vanilla flavor. From Haagen-Dazs. Alright. Oh, it smells good. Smells like me every day.
Okay, I got it.
Alright, we're gonna mix it all together. Alright. Okay, so let's play a little bit. Japanese fresh egg from the Japanese Angry Birds. Rolling. The eggs on a grill go round and round, round and round, round and round. The eggs on a grill go round and round, all through the grill. There we go, Japanese spinning it. I can show you the world. Shiny, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, Princess Noel. Oi, that's you. It's a boy. Congratulations. We're having a boy. Gender revealed. Alright, so now we're going to make some big omelette. Okay, here on board we have 75,000 eggs every crew, yeah? And don't think about your diet, okay? Egg over easy, over medium, over hard, over slide. Cowabunga. And your Japanese pizza from Papa John. All right.
I don't know.
It's all over. Sexy and you know it, clap your hands. Sexy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're sexy and you know it, if you're sexy and you know it, say oh yeah, oh yeah. And your Japanese burrito. Rolling, rolling, rolling down my griddle. Alright, so here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I would like you to meet my back on board. His name's Fernando. Fernando! Here we go. I like to move it, move it. And it's something in the air that night. The stars so bright. Fernando. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Ah, cigogna. Bye bye, Fernando. Rest in pieces. Alright, guys, it's almost done, almost complete. As you can see, we have a lot of price here, yeah? So don't hesitate to ask for more, okay? Price is for free. You don't need to swipe your card. Turn around every now and then. Just to come around.
You're very well versed in the classics.
Yeah. Alright, here you go. Vanilla ice cream. Fat is free and cholesterol is free. Diet Pepsi to keep you young and sexy. And Japanese water from Mount Fuji. Alright, Alright, this almost done, almost complete. Now, if you want more rice, just tell me and I give you more, okay? Just remember, no diet on your vacation, yeah? Enjoy everything on the ship, okay? Eat as much as you can, yeah? Walk around the ship shape and go home with the shape of the ship. Alright.
I know you stop for a second. You are
Alright. Hayota, Japanese pepper.
Yeah.
From Dollar Tree.
What part of Japan are you from?
From Nagoya. I'm actually your fake Japanese chef for tonight.
That's what I was expecting, a different city entirely. What city are you really from?
Alright, let's put some WD-40 flavor enhancer. And gasolina. Catara gasolina. Carnival gasolina. Catara gasolina. We're gonna make nice more. The grill is on fire. Need a little water, let the grill burn.
Nice edit.
Japanese volcano. This grill is on fire. This grill is on fire. I'm working on fire. And Japanese holy water from Vatican with the holy smoke. Hallelujah. We have a new Papa. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm really sorry, but I need to break the heart, yeah?
No!
Break my heart. Say you love me again. Here we go, man. Careful, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hot like me. Go. Careful, it's hot.
Looks amazing.
And of course, everybody
Yes, sir. Careful, it's hot, yeah? Alright, you can now start your rice. Please start your rice while it's hot. And coming up next, your vegetables.
I get no rice?
Oh, sorry. I was just joking.
I'm like, come on, man. Where's my rice?
Got you. So we have a lot of rice here, yeah? Don't hesitate to ask for more, okay?
Thank you very much.
Vegetable, like it, vegetable, like my back, eat your lunch and your snack. It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. To keep you young and sexy. There you go. Holy cow.
No sorry. No sorry. No, I ordered the giant mountain of
No,
shrimp.
that one is actually part of your appetizer. That's on the appetizer.
You said more rice and more shrimp, right?
There you go, more shrimp.
Thank you.
Sardinia. Anybody? One more rice. One more rice.
Want more rice?
One more rice. Rice, baby. rice, baby.
Arigato.
There you go.
Thank you.
Through the fire, through the living, through the wall. But just to be you, never risk it all. Through the fire, through the never come with me. There we go, Laurie the lobster!
Hey!
From the main dining room! Sir Lester, Sir Daniel, for your chicken, do you want me to put some a little bit spicy in it?
Yeah.
Not for him.
Look at the size of these shrimp. That's nuts.
Somebody say you want more right there? Are you good? Anybody want more rice? chicken. We are the world. We are the chicken. Better place to listen. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please close your eyes. Because tonight the lobster will be naked.
Oh!
I wanna take my shells off. It's getting hot in here. I'll take off all my shells. I am getting so hot. I wanna take my shells off. I got Sir Daniel. Chicken.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Chicken, macaroni. Spicy.
That's okay.
No, that one is okay? Alright. More. Wait, there's more. Alright.
You want something to drink? Water. You don't want no soda? No, thank you.
Too much, Daniel?
Yeah, I would say. Yeah. What they do with massive nothing. Oh, I have no idea, but if you don't pay with your card, with your card. Yeah. How long you work on the cruise?
This is my birthday.
Okay.
Yes.
You like it?
Yes, I really love it.
That's good.
Alright, thank you guys so much for your fun, the white, all the young There's a sauce for everything, especially on your rice. And the bigger one, that is a bonsai sauce. That is the sauce for your breakfast or your soup. And the last sauce is your yakiniku sauce. That is the sauce for your
Raymond Gloria. Careful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
More rice, more rice.
How was it, Jeff?
Good. It was good.
Thank you. More rice?
Thank you.
More rice for the young lady.
Can I have just a little bit?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Not a lot. That's good. Thank you.
Come on, a little soup. That's cool. Thank you.
Just your fourth day, right? Never done this before.
Yes, sir. I actually used to work in the engine room before I got here.
Okay.
You like the engine room?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Abraham, I've eaten a lot of teppan in my life. I've never had steak that
Thank
good.
you.
Wow. Really great. Ow. Oh my god.
That's good.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Last call for the rice, last call for the rice. Going guys. Well, make sure you have space for dessert, yeah? Don't forget about your dessert, okay? Or else I'm gonna call security to turn off the Wi-Fi. So this is gonna be your breakfast tomorrow. I'm going to put it on the Lido deck, yeah? All right, so everybody got their order right?
Yep.
All right. Do you have any missing orders?
No.
Anybody want to change their order before I turn it on my grill?
No.
All right.
But you can't go.
Okay. It's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. I was gonna clean my grill, but
More food. He got,
I have never seen someone clean their grill with oil. That's brilliant.
because it's stainless steel, sir. Like season. This is what we call Japanese exercise.
Wax on, wax off.
Wax off.
All right, sir.